Hello, hey YouTube guys, I just got this I ordered on Black Friday. It's a upper for Bear Creek Arsenal. I'm going to show you here the way they come. That's the flash hider, bird cage. It's a M-lock system. It's a complete upper. It comes with the ball carrier and charging handle. Let me see if I can get it close to you guys. Just quick inspection over here. So that's the bird cage right there. It's not the typical A2 bird cage because this doesn't have any flat spot in the bottom. Plan to change it, but this is the way it looks. No markings on the top for the rails. You have the M blocks on the side, on the bottom, and on the other side. I'm gonna put it here on the table so you can take a look. It's a 16-inch complete upper assemble. It's a 4150 Parker-ized M4 contour barrel. It's a 223 Wylde 1-in-8 twist. It's a lightweight key mod. In order, you see it's a carbine length, as you can see here, from there to here. That's the gas block. It's a .750 low profile gas block. It's connected here by a couple of screws here and another one here, which is not bad, and another one there, so it looks pretty good. I hope that it worked when I test it. In order to see what type of rifle it is, you have to read the lights. The letters are inside there, but it's hard to see. See if I can get it there. Yeah, that's the letters right there. Very hard to see and to notice. I like the design. I don't have that kind of upper with that cut in the front, so I really like that cut in the front. And make it easy for me to change the flash hider. So the color is no bad. Looks like, I don't know, with my glasses they look that they match. Even here they don't appear to look that they match, but they do. Here it gets darker over here. No markings on the top. You see here come with the ball carrier. See? And let me pull the ball carrier out. Apparently they don't even test fire this one. Since already come assembled. The key marking is kind of fair. Wish they can do a little bit deeper, but the ball carrier seems like a standard ball carrier. Look at the face of the bolt. Has some grease right there. So I gotta test it, make sure it works. The door looks like it works. This looks like it works perfectly. Lock in place too. Take a look at the other side. See that? You got two bolts over here. Two bolts over here with a different type of design for the screws, and two bolts over there. Very happy. I got this on Black Friday. I ordered it on Black Friday. It was on sale. Regular price on this retail MSRP for $349. Right now they have it on sale for $209, but on Black Friday I got it for $180 include shipping. So it was a pretty good deal. I'm interested in, as soon as they become available, get the 6.5 Grendel. I hear and saw so many videos on YouTube regarding that caliber, and I'm planning to get me one of those upper and then a different ball carrier, or maybe the ball carrier already included with the upper type of deal from Bear Creek. So far I already have one upper from them, and it's been very reliable. I'm very happy with the purchase. Don't know if they still have this in stock, but they have so many different models. They say that these go for one MOA, That's what they says, and they don't recommend they use steel ammo. Again, this is my quick video of my Bear Creek arsenal. This is the design. I like this, really. I like the cut over here. Looks like I plan to put some rails and a night scope on this. So I got my new scope that I plan to add. See how it goes. Probably have to find a different mounting solution so look better with the scope. Type of offset scope, and plan to put some rails on it to add some accessories. But the rails on Amazon and eBay, they're pretty good pricing. So again, this is the video about the Bear Creek arsenal. Feel free if you have any comment or suggestions. And I think based on what I'm seeing over here, I need to get a better mounting for the scope. But and test it, and I posted another video to see how it looks when I test it on the range. Again, very happy. Looks this is the only marking that I have, that square there. But that's it so far. I'm gonna test it to see it works. Otherwise, I have to put it apart. Plan to change this for a different flash hider. And again, make any comment, subscribe, and any suggestion. Thank you again.